Happy Halloween! Welcome to day 41 as a culinary student at ICE. My name is Jordan and today I am doing my practical exam. The practical requires me to fabricate a fish, tournate some carrots, make a nice brown butter pan sauce, and then sear some bass on top of some nice cooked spinach. Sorry by the way if my voice sounds a little out of it. Not only am I exhausted, I am also sick, so it's a double negative. I could never leave you guys without a video though, so here's the footage from my practical exam. It's not much, but it is pretty much everything that I needed to do for setup. Tornadoing the carrots was definitely my worst part about this practical. Everything else honestly went pretty well. I just definitely need to work on tornadoing carrots, which honestly, I will not even be using much in the restaurant industry anyways. The biggest thing that I took from today is that teamwork makes everything 10 times easier. As long as my teammate is working well with me and I'm making sure and checking in on them, everything's gonna be alright. Here's my dish and I hope you have an amazing Halloween. Stay safe, stay scary.